In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram private group or channel video. First, go to your Telegram, then check it. You are not able to download this. Now, what you need to do, just to click this extension, then click Manage Extension. Again, Chrome Web Store. Then here type Tele Stream Saver. I again repeat Tele Stream Saver. Then you need to install this extension or add to Chrome. Okay, it's already added. Now go here, then find out it. Okay, this one, then pin out. Now going again to Telegram, then find out your targeted video. Now open, then this is the download button. You need to click on here. It's would be the you can see it's already start downloading. It's easy method. Thanks for watching. See you again.